How to cancel a Doordash order and get a refund. So if you've had ordered a takeaway on Doordash and immediately realized you sent out your old address, forgot to add a drink, or simply changed your mind, let me show you how to cancel it. So first, we can open the active tracking screen to start cancellation process. So open the Doordash app on your phone or head over to the website on your desktop. Tap or click on Orders tab, as shown in here. After that, you select the live order you want to stop. And then, as shown on the second screenshot, give me a second. There you go, you press on Help. And under the Customer Support, select Cancel Order right here. Okay, let's continue. So next, let me explain how Doordash calculates your refund. So Doordash will display a summary pop-up showing your calculated refund amount based on timing. So if the restaurant hasn't started preparing your food, you'll receive a full refund. If the kitchen has already started cooking or a driver has been assigned, you'll likely receive a partial refund to cover food and prep costs. And if the driver is already on their way to you, you will not get a refund, so speed here is essential. If you accept the refund terms shown on screen, tap Confirm Cancellation. As you can see, cancel order right here as shown on these screenshots. And that is it. Just wait for the money to be dropped back into your account or your card or wherever you used to pay. And yeah, that's it. Enjoy, guys.